Our Ultra Comfort faux leather seat cushions are a cinch to install with our quick fit design. You get front bucket seat covers, rear bench backrest, rear bottom pieces, and headrest covers. Plus, a PDF and install videos can also be found on our website. First, connect the bottom seat cover to the backrest cover by attaching the butterfly discs to the straps. Then, use the opening at the top of the backrest cover and slide the cover over the headrest and seat. Secure the fabric around the headrest with the hook and loop closure. Next, push the butterfly discs through the center crevices of the seat to secure the covers in place. For a tighter fit, attach the metal hooks to the bottom straps of the seat cover and latch the hooks onto a secure spot under the seat. The next step has two options for installing the rear seat covers. Option 1 is to install by lifting the rear bench seat, and Option 2 is to install without lifting the rear seat. First, for Option 1, lift the rear bench seat, push the straps through the crevice and under the seat. Now connect the straps together underneath the seat with the buckle clip. Repeat this process for the bottom centerpiece and then fasten the pieces together on top of the seat. For Option 2, if you are unable to lift the bench seat, then you can connect the backrest and bottom piece with butterfly discs. Attach the discs to the strap, then push the disc through the crevice of the seat and secure it against the back side of the seat. Now put the left and right rear back seat pieces on and snap the headrest covers in place. Loop the straps onto the butterfly discs and push the discs through the crevice of the seat to secure. Finally, locate the centerpiece of the backrest cover and attach the right and left sides of the backrest to the centerpiece with the zippers. Our quick fit design offers easy adjustments and a secure, snug fit, allowing you to enjoy your ride in comfort and style.